everybody, welcome back to my channel. Love my minis, it's me Benita. I am back with another mini brands unboxing. I love mini brands, and today we're gonna see which mini brands fit into my refrigerator. Let's see if I have any in here. Okay, I do. And you see how they kind of fit. These are the apple juices. And I even have, I'm not going to leave it in there, but my Kawaii mini brands. Oh, I love the pup soda. I love how the liquid moves. Okay. And you see how the sodas are. So the sodas haven't been able, well, yeah, they sit up. They sit up over here. So let's see which ones we have and which ones can fit in my refrigerator. All right, let's get to opening. Oh, and if you get a chance, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. That's like the biggest part. Please help my channel to grow. Let's get these open. Okay, so here is our first one of two. We got it open. Let's see what we have. Number one. Oh, I remember this one. So this is my second one of a Post-its heart dispenser. Yay. Okay, now, if you watch my channel, you know I really, really, really love mini food. Hence, the refrigerator. But office supplies are cute too. I like all miniatures. All right. Okay. Oh, German chocolate cake. Yay. All right. Okay. So hold on. I'm trying to keep my trash at a minimum. So let's clear the clutter. There we go. And in addition to the German chocolate cake, we also have, okay, I remember the glue gun too. Okay, so hey, okay, I can do an office supply store. Okay, all right, here we go. Let's see. All right, we got some cash and a cube for Post-its. Selling those Post-its. There we go. All right. Okay. And oh yeah, okay, so this is my second one of these. These don't need to go in the fridge, but this one does. Hold on. This one does go in the freezer. So let's see if it will fit. Let's see. Oh, what do we have in our freezer? Hold on. We have upside down ice cream. Let's turn it upside right. And there we go. We also have some mini corn dogs. The milk doesn't need to be up there. And we're taking this down too. So, yay, it does fit with the ice cream and the mini corn dogs. Okay, so now we're getting ready to open up our second one. Let's hope we have more foods than office supplies. Yay! All right, and oh, hold on. Just so we have a little bit more room. Here we go. And while we cut this open, I'm just going to remind everybody, if you get a chance, please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like button. Please help my channel to grow. My nail polish matches the second wrapper. Okay. All right. Let's see. And here we have look. Okay, shipping tape. I use shipping tape. Yay. Look at that. Okay. Got to do an office setup. Look for a video where there's an office setup. I have to do one now. Because this is, we got our minis. Okay, still got my cookies. And what do we have in here? Oh, okay. I see Sprite. Okay, this is my first Sprite can. But of course, I believe all the mini brands cans are the same size. Okay. Why? Why are you falling over, Sprite can? All right. There we go. Oh, look. Ha ha. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Oh, my goodness. With the little top. All right. So we have a pantry item. We have 2 pantry items. All right. And we have 1 item that can go in the fridge. Let's see what we have next. We have, oh, look, kettle chips. Yay. All right, I have Cape Cod chips too. So there can be a choice. We got another pantry item. All right. And here, oh, what did UPS Express send us? Oh, wow. What did we get? Oh, my goodness. Oh, it says, wow. Look at that. I thought it was a little heavy. Okay. So let's find out what this is. I believe this is the one. Yeah, the pamphlet that came with it. All right. So we have our kettle chips and our SpaghettiOs. All right. And okay, our super rare gold doggy coin. Aw, look at him. He's a cute little puppy. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I have 2 mini brands balls. I got at least 2 items that could go in the fridge. I'm wondering if there's a way I can get this one in here. Oh, I can. Oh, I like it. Okay, let's try that with the rest. Okay, and we have our Sprite, our Coca-Cola, and Fanta Zero. Oh, yay. All right. Okay, so, yeah, I just need a little bit more room for the juice. All right. Yay. Oh, my goodness. Okay. So, I hope you all enjoyed this video and all of the mini brands we got this time. Of course, the food ones are my favorite, but, well, if you like many things, you like many things, but yeah. Oh, I'm going to see if I can do a video with our office supplies. So if you get a chance, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video, everybody. Please help my channel to grow. Love my minis. Peace.